Hey friends, the magic of Windows lies in the fact that you can easily download applications from their manufacturers' websites and install them on your system. Rather, that has been the traditional and more popular method in comparison to downloading and installing it from the Microsoft Store. So, how do we do this? First of all, we need to change a few default settings. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to Apps and then you can select advanced app settings. Choose where to get the apps from anywhere. Actually, this is the default setting. You don't really need to change anything in this unless it was changed previously. Then open any browser and go to the download website. For example, if I wish to download Chrome, so I'll go to Chrome download website, and then I will go to its website to download it. I'll select download Chrome, and I can see that it's an exe file. So all I need to do is click on open. It will start installing Chrome on my computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.